After living for nearly 100 years on this planet, I now understand the most important place on Earth is not on land, but at sea. Immense shoals of fish throng our shallow seas and can provide an abundance of food for wildlife and humanity. The rich coastal seas are the fishing grounds of our planet. For once you've truly seen the sea, you'll never look at Earth in the same way again. The ocean is our planet's life support system. This is the story of our ocean. They provide us with more than half the oxygen we need. Every second breath you take comes from the oceans. They are an important source of protein for billions of people on the planet. The living world can't operate without a healthy ocean. The ocean is a critical ally in our battle to reduce carbon in the atmosphere. Fishing is the world's greatest wild harvest. The healthier the marine habitat, the more fish there will be. For if we save the sea, we save our world.